Hi, I'm Baby Boo, and today I'm telling you about the day the sun went achoo. It started as a tiny burp from the sun, but it turned into a mega solar sneeze. Scientists call it a CME. I call it a giant space booger. The sneeze hit Earth like pew pew zap zap. Satellites went bye bye. Phones stopped ringing. The internet said, I'm taking a nap. Airplanes turned around mid-air. And TikTok didn't work for like a whole hour. People panicked. Someone tried to microwave soup with a candle. It didn't go well. The world learned not to mess with space boogers. That's the story. Like and follow, or I'll tell the sun you said mean things. Bye bye now.